We now evaluate the limits given in part A, part B, and part C. So let's do part A first. Here we have to determine the limit of f of x when x approaches negative 3 from the right. So this is the graph of f of x. Let's utilize this to find the limit. In part A, we have to determine the limit when x approaches negative 3 from the right. So basically, we have to look at the graph, and this is x equal to negative 3. So x approaches negative 3 from the right. So it is coming from this direction. And this means x seems like that is the function is approaching 2. That is, this one is 2. So therefore, we say that the limit of f of x when x approaches negative 3 from right equals 2. So we say that this is 2. Now let's determine part B. Here we have to find the limit of f of x when x approaches negative 3 minus, which is x approaches negative 3 from the left. So let's see from this direction. So the graph is approaching negative 3 when it is coming from the left like this. And once again, it is also, that is, the graph is approaching 2. So we see that this limit is 2. Now we see that in part C, we should answer limit of f of x when x approaches negative 3. This we can determine from the limits we determine in part A and part B. So we say that when the limit of when the right side limit equals left side limit, basically this equals a limit of the function at any point. So we see that these two are equal. That is, the left side limit equals right side limit, 2 equals 2. So therefore, the limit of the function when x approaches negative 3, and this should also approach 2. So the value of this part C, or the answer to part C, is also 2.